I just made a Walmart run to get just stuff. We ended up getting some stuff, some random stuff.
You know the George Carlin thing, your stuff is my stuff. Like, that's what I feel like we did.
See, Kyle, now you understand what happens when I go to Target, though. Just somehow, weird chocolate Kinder Egg type things just end up in the cart.
I live a little.
Get those chocolate eggs and an extra shovel for the children.
Oh, you need a pair of sunglasses? Why not two?
Two. That really happened. In my defense, they're only $2.50 and they're really cute. So that's a pretty good deal. So the bed that we were sleeping in was not great. I spent the whole night like.
For a pregnant lady, is really not.
My hip was.
I mean, it's only so-so for me, but you know.
I actually felt better when I got up. Like my hip hurt less out of bed than it did in that bed.
It's like I almost wondered seriously if you should go sleep on the couch like sitting up.
I know. I was just gonna go sleep on the sand. Someone in the distance will be like, someone on the distance will be like, oh, I think there's a beached whale. Oh, it's a woman. Oh. Should we help her?
It's one of them sea cows I heard about.
I am wearing.
You like wake up, you're like attached to the mast of like the front of a ship.
Oh, come on, guys.
I should be talking. It's a magical masthead.
I'd be like, get me down, give me something to eat, I won't sue you.
Parlay.
I'd still sue them. Hey, Pirates is out.
Yeah.
And we haven't seen it yet.
Yeah.
What's wrong with us? It's our kind of movie. It's a movie we both enjoy. I heard it was excellent. Excellent. Heard good things. By the time this vlog goes up, it'll been out for a week or two, so everyone will be like, oh yeah, it's the best. So we gotta see it before we upload this vlog. Well, you can just, Daddy can show you. You can eat it or.
Oh, I didn't get it.
No, they didn't put the toy inside. Here it is. They didn't put the toy in it.
Pick up the blue stuff.
Oh, the toy's not inside? I think those are the rules, right?
Grayson's is. Please.
Please. Maybe that's cookie chocolate.
Yeah, it's yummy chocolate. So we have can openers and none of them are working. Oh goodness. And it is not us, I promise y'all. We all used these can openers many times. We're about to resort to this little one here, which not ideal. take turns making dinner when we're at the beach house. And so I am making pulled pork sandwiches, baked beans. We're gonna have little carrot chips, and then I'm making this summery avocado tomato salad, which I love. I eat it as a meal, like it's awesome. It's really good.